Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the microphone in your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G doesn't seem to be working right. First of all, locate the microphone on the bottom edge of your smartphone, right here on the right to your SIM card tray, and to the left to your USB Type-C charging port. So here it is, a small hole. You can try to clean it using a soft brush. Do not put any metallic tools in this hole. Only use a soft brush if possible. Try to carefully clean it to get rid of any dust or debris that can be stuck in there, and then try testing your microphone in voice recorder or any other application that you have on your smartphone. Let me find the suitable application. Okay, so open recorder, try recording your voice, and check if your microphone records it properly. And if you still cannot hear your voice on the recording, try disabling Bluetooth to make sure that your voice isn't getting rerouted to your headphones or anywhere else. And then try checking your voice in the voice recorder once again. And in case this isn't helping you, then first you can try updating your device's software by going to Settings, About Phone, and then tap on Xiaomi HyperOS, connect to the network, and after connecting to the network, check if your device is updated, and if your device requires an update or has an update for you to install, then of course take your time and install the latest software version for your device. Let your smartphone restart, and then check if the issue was resolved afterwards. And if it wasn't, then maybe there is some sort of third-party application running in the background and causing your microphone to behave differently. And in such case, let's reboot our device into the safe mode. To do so, press power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle up to power your device off. And let's access the safe mode to disable all the background activities on your smartphone. To do so, hold down the power button until you see the Xiaomi logo on your screen, and once you see it, release the power button, wait for about 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down button until your screen changes to the following one and your phone slightly vibrates. Okay, and when you feel the vibration, release the volume down button and wait until your device enters the safe mode. Then relaunch the voice recorder into your safe mode, and see if this resolved the issue. And in case this actually helps you, and you can actually hear your voice in the voice recorder or any other sound recording application in the safe mode, then you're gonna have to go to your settings and check apps for any app that could have caused this kind of issue. Or right away go to your search for permissions in settings, and check which applications have access to your microphone, and try disabling the microphone access to the applications that you don't want it to that you that you don't want to use it. And after that, just restart your smartphone into the normal mode by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time, and swiping the circle down to reboot. Otherwise, if your microphone is still not working, then I highly recommend reaching out to Xiaomi customer support service and telling them about this issue that you have, and they will most probably find a solution for you, even if it will require a repair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.